Quick reports allow users with any level of technical ability to create and view their own reports in Dynamics NAV. Starting from the quick report list, here we can see any that have already been created, or we can quickly create our own. First off, specify the table you want to report from. You can also use NAV queries, SQL queries, or a field from a related table in quick reports, so it's really flexible. Next, use the Add Multiple Fields button in the ribbon to select several fields from the table we have just specified. We can also add enhanced fields to quick reports too. These can be found at the bottom of the list, or we can type them if we know what they are called. You can press Show to open it. Once it's opened, you can click the column headings to sort the report on that field, just like a normal list in NAV. Using the Group By function, you can select what field you want to group the results by, for example, vendor number. This will total any records in this group. You can press Show Details to drill into this group and view the records that make it up. Once you've selected a record, you can press the NAV card to show the item card. The Ungroup or Hide Details button can be used to revert changes you've made, but then you can quickly rearrange the report and change the field it is grouped by. A quick report can also be saved and made public so other people can view it. Using our panels and tiles, a quick report can also be added to a panel and ran directly from the Role Center. If you like what you've seen and want any more information, all of our contact details can be found on our website, www.thenavpeople.com.